guys, you know, this pump is automatically shut off. That means anyway I tap its close is that means its outlet water it's not using. That's why it's now is pump automatically switch off. This is normal condition. So it's a one pressure valve. So here, so its pressure valve through it's working the more than 5 bar pressure. So that means now is all pump is now is shut off. That means it's never using the water anywhere. So it's like that is normal that and simple like this water circulation like this, because here is the problem is here we not fix here the gate valve, so we cannot remove this pump in this situation, the pump running time. So we need to update here the like this gate valve. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and subscribe and like this video, and press the bell icon, and so share this video for your friends. So if you have any problems, then you can write the comment section. So okay, thank you very much for looking for this video. See you next video.